In this lecture, I will start explaining about ELSA. So, ELSA, or Enterprise Log Search and Archive, is a three-tier log receiver, archiver, indexer, and web-fronted for incoming syslog. It can be accessed in Security Union from the Chromium browser, which it works best with. So here I will click on the icon of ELSA, and we see this message that is saying that our connection is not private or not secure, and I have to click on Advanced and then proceed to localhost, and it asks us for a username and a password, which is the same username and password used with Sigwil, since ELSA authenticates against the Sigwil database. So here we see the web interface of ELSA, and the first thing we have to focus on is the from and to fields, which specify the time range that ELSA will search for the logs for, and it is for the last 2 days by default. So here I will change the from date to be this date, for example, so that it will search for logs resulted from running the TCP replay command that we have used in the previous lectures. And also I have to specify a class here, and I will specify the class to be pro connection, so that I will search for logs coming from pro, which is an intrusion detection system program. And now I will hit enter or click on submit query. So we see here that we have more than 1000 records, and the first 100 records are shown by default. And we see also that the results are displayed in 7 pages, where we have 15 records per page, and we can change that if we want. And also we see highlighted in yellow that the records or logs are coming from the program and class pro connection. And also we see information like the source IP, source port, and destination IP and destination port, and also the connection duration, the number of bytes, number of packets, and also the country, which is here the US, so the country that the IP belongs to. So we see the country here is US, and here we see also that we have a record that the country is Russia. So we can also get the same result by using another way. So here I will close this tab, and I will remove the class from the query field, and I will go to the add term drop down menu, and I will select pro connection and then class pro connection, and we see that it populates the class in the query field. And then I will hit submit query or hit enter. So we see that we have gotten the same results here. So that way I have explained how to start using ELSA and how to specify a class and a time range to get the logs that we are searching for. And in the next lecture I will continue explaining about ELSA and specifically about how to use the group by clause.